Hey Don, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this. I really hope you're watching. And thank you for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. I'm here to audit your site while comparing your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more clients all on your own. Also, you'll get a better understanding as to how or why your competitors are being found instead of you. I'm going to mainly be going over three things you can do today to help bring in more work. The 3 points, or categories I should say, are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. It's a great website. When I go through it, I see great photos, a beautiful layout, of course. The navigation is fairly simple. All the links seem to be working just fine. This is not clickable here, which is recommended for, having the user to contact you easier. But overall, it's a good website. However, not enough content. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your homepage. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also improves a level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean by keywords, Don, are pretty much just the words or phrases that searchers enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services, landscaping. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. Now, for the backlinks and citations, let's jump into Ahrefs here. This is a paid tool, of course. Ahrefs, it's a great tool to have if you wish to monitor the back end of your website. This is what you currently have. The second thing I like to make you aware of is backlinks. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware though that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, that can actually hurt your website. You really want to be careful with that. The third and final thing I would like to go over would be a citation. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services. That's pretty much what a citation is. And that would fall under the DR meter here. The UR would be your backlinks here. So you currently have one backlink, one referring domain, organic keywords, 4. This is very important. I'll elaborate a bit more later on this video. Organic traffic, you have 6. So on a monthly basis, you're having 6 people jumping onto your website organically. But this is where you currently stand. So you really don't have much. Let's compare to one of your competitors. Looks like these guys are getting all the attention. As you can see, they have quite a few content, not the 1,500 minimum, but they do have a little bit more. This is what they currently have behind the scenes. Backlinks over 600, referring domains 60, organic keywords over 300, and of course, organic traffic over 100 are jumping onto this website organically in a monthly basis. UR, no data, DR 2.3. This is not much. I'm sure if you improve on the backlinks, relevant backlinks, and connect them to your website, you can beat this guy. This is beatable. Overall, they seem to be steady. They have currently a steady course. I will need to look a bit more to see if they are working with an SEO agency. However, this is where they stand currently, and they are being found just with this 325 keywords. So overall, this is beatable. Last and most important are the keywords. These are the keywords I was referring to before. Let's go back to your website. You currently have 4. They have over 300. looking at your competitors' keywords list. This keyword here alone has approximately a search volume of 150 a month. This one here, 80. So that's over 200 people. Imagine those 200 people are finding you instead. This is the whole point of SEO, to work on your website, to improve on your website and give them a bit more power so you could beat these guys. If you are to follow these tips, I'm sure you can increase your rankings and bring in more calls. Well done. This is all I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts, or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time, Don. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.